My name is Eli Burkholder, and I'm going to be talking about the animal cell. First, let's talk about the cell theory. The three people who found the cell theory are Matthew Sheldon, Rudolf Virchow, and Theodor Schwann. Three parts of cell theory are cells come from cells. Cells is a basic unit of life, and all living things are made of one or more cells. Then you got Robert Hooke. The first person to see he was the first person to ever see a cell. Now we'll talk about the animal cell. First, let's talk about the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a biological barrier that separates the internal environment of a cell from external surroundings. Then you got the nucleus. The nucleus is a specialized structure within the cell nucleus responsibility primary for producing ribosomes substance which are essentially for for protein synthesis. Then you got the nucleus. The nucleus controls the center of the cell. Then you got a vacuole. Vacuole maintains turgor pressure by storing water. Then you got the Golgi body. The Golgi body is a cell organelle that functions as a cellular manufacturing and supply hub, modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins, lipids for secretion or delivery to other organelles. Then you got mitochondria. Mitochondria are essential cell organelles that act as power plants, converting food into the energy cells needed to function and drive biological process. You got ER. The endoplasm reduction, also ER, is a vast network of interconnected membranes within a eukaryotic cell consisting of two types of rough ER and smooth ER. Next, you got the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is all material within a eukaryotic cell and a prokaryotic cell, enclosed by a cell membrane. The chromosome. Chromosomes carry genetic information in the form of a DNA. You got lysosomes. Lysosomes break down all types of biological polymers, proteins, nucleic acid, and carbohydrates and lipids. Ribosomes. Ribosomes function as a cellular machinery for protein synthesis or translation by reading messages. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a metabolic process in which cells break down organic substances. Fermentation. Fermentation is an acid metabolic process in which microorganisms like yeast and bacteria convert carbohydrates. Mitosis. Mitosis is a process of cells duplicating in which one cell divides into two genetic identical daughter cells. Thank you for your time. These are the sources I used.